Chief Presenter Nana Jantuah abe clash with Deputy Chief of Staff Stanbogwe. Efa na did attend several obe catch old Tafo member of Parliament Vincent Eko concerning Mahama was private jet to Kwaiko Japan. Stanbogwe ebe did Vincent attempt ewo ho. Ama Nana Jantuah abe clash with him. The way are sending warning to Mahama, so Mahama when appointees niye. Omunya kasade. Omunya how besaka kasade. Achre Ghana for. I Penyah Block Media. Let's watch any DM. Over like this video, no other. My subscribe button. Snap click the notification icon for the latest updates. Now bet you the wide media mame. Ewa comment section. Let's watch over so. No watch video more for so any be action. It is some no guys here there. My big camp from many videos. Actually, say Mahama walk trip now go 2 countries. Other say or call Japan. No we are start to go Singapore. Na eba hint say Mahama trip go all or the private jet and echo. MBAEP. No, for every IBR, over $15,000. That is Ghana's approximately 1.6 billion. And I say Mahama able to for everyone on that particular jet. This info no. Vincent Eko, old Tafo member of Parliament. MPP on the buy. On the make this post on Facebook. Just Mahama crab too. Or make it post to Saturday no. I can are they send out a pa? Mahama able to quiet. Obeko Miami so. Obeko Japan and Singapore. Or as over to the moon. Cost per hour $15,000. Or try time crab plane able to every Ghana animal and past 7 a.m. But unfortunately for Vincent, now Vincent I got it wrong and they say or she time somehow able to Sunday and past 7 a.m. But Sunday at 10 a.m. in the morning, na Mahama Eda so Ghana animal and our so them crowd for the Thanksgiving service. You know me a state funeral me ya no. Omoko Thanksgiving service at 10 a.m. Kwana Mahama Eda so Ghana. Enomo Deputy Chief of Staff Stanbogwe ebeke Canadian chile Vincent pa di din atem. O di din atem pasa what I say Vincent atwafon. O ka say Mahama ebe 2 anopa 7 afi den anopa 10 Mahama da so organize o chief say Vincent ebe twa tro. O be gu Mahama ho fi you say obeke cancel e o di Vincent atem. But the matter still stands. What I say the fact still remain. Vincent enenya the exact time when Mahama edibit no onya no wrong booking no onya no wrong but the fact say Mahama etukwai eko Japan any Singapore no there it is still intact. Only Ghana has I'm speaking to you now. Only Ghana Mahama any Ghana oko but time na the exact time na Vincent ebe can that time corner Mahama ebitu no time na wanya time ni but the fact say Mahama eko Japan no say or say to other Singapore no there no kre Mahama any Ghana oko. Na ever tell you same like you say standard going on your Deputy Chief of Staff ebe catch Vincent no no ana NDC Journalist Nana Jantuah abamubi na in fact wa be clash with Deputy Chief of Staff your NDC no Stanbogwe wa ke kana adwen patrem esa catch Mahama so Mahama hwe ya na point is no because Mahama all the code of conduct ebai it add code of conduct we nyina echi still wa point is omukasa nye ebimanu mukasa tan it Nana Jantuah abopin more fire.
Musubia ewo August muno emfiri ho efri se busumi we ansha senyi papa na mi ankasa kura ansha se yi amame emrepem na metimi aka de afamani so medeti ye adwuma anso benden it is well. Oh my Ghana, ya yebi, ya koyanim, abai eguso bon homodin. Dia wose oye, bia oye. Dia okaso obeye nunso. Unse obon homodin se obeye amasundie nso aba. But this one say ye juma eni nano me catchro article 162 clause 5 ye kenkan ya kakra or ye ka 4 no ye ka 5 no and ye besa project actual constitution no emma ye akwenya se yenye adwuma se ensemtrofo Inti eto de bia nipa bi empesa wo adwuma na ye de amaw no obeye efrise na ban e na abaso. According to those people, no, they feel say na ban enya abaso nko ade di obeye say you say nyu menka. It's now ye catch Article 162, Chapter 12 of the Constitution. A clear. Now over 4 now. Now no make a catch Article 162 Clause 4. Our Constitution imuno. Or say editors and publishers of newspapers and other institutions of the mass media shall not be subject to control or interference by government, nor shall they be penalized or harassed for their editorial opinions and views or that content of their publication. Eche say yen aye adwuma wona omusa news muma ye kenkan wona omuwo newspaper wona omuwo radio station eti say Inshira FM any other radio stations no eni kwan say aban ye na adwen so obekire yen de wo say ye ka aban ni hu sa tumi no no aba bekire say meka we kawe enya mede nti we menka ne saa. Constitution ye clear say aban timi mbekire kwan a nsɛmtwerɛni ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ n'adwuma. Na wokan 5 na ɛno na mepɛ sɛ mekyerɛ nkurɔfoɔ mu sɛ yɛdi nkɔmmɔ na nsɛmtwerɛni, it's not just about me. Akwa te sɛ aban biara ba so a ofili sɛ nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ a ɛbɛka asɛm a ɛnyɛ ne dɛ no, saa nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtu wɔ mani yɛtu aban tu n'ani si saa nkurɔfoɔ no so ɛde ahunahuna ɛde national security ɛyɛ deɛ ɛni kwan sɛ ɔmo yɛ. Yɛwɔ free speech, yɛwɔ freedom of expression. Constitution ɛyɛ clear sɛ yɛwɔ ɔman a yɛn nyinaa yɛagye atom sɛ obiara tumi kyerɛ n'adwene. In the Article 162 Clause 5 no say all agencies of the mass media, yɛka mass media ɛyɛ sɛ radio station, ɛyɛ TV, ɛyɛ social media, ɛyɛ newspaper. Saa deɛ na utimi gyina so ɛbɔ de roma dodoɔ na ehu na nipa ne te aseɛ no a ɛfa bibim te sɛ deɛ mekan manko gyina baabi nko aho me kasa fa bibi mu enti radio ɛyɛ mass ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a metimi aka afa mama dodoɔ na ate and nti wo kan characteristics of mass media na mass communication a sɛ wo kasa kyerɛ ɛdɔm afa bibi mu te sɛ radio, newspaper, social media ɛne n'asefo no deɛ ɛkyerɛ ne sɛ eni kwan sɛ nipa na wɔka asɛm no first of all mo a motie mi nim obi a wɔtie mi hu obi a na emo mi susu sɛ nipa etie enti radio ɛyɛ mass media a wotimi ka wa asɛm kyerɛ dodoɔ, TV, newspaper, social media ni nyinaa no kan o kyerɛ mass ko na wo kenkan mass communication bɛkyerɛ adeɛ bia yɛ kasa move ɛkyerɛ nipa dodoɔ. Back room, please keep quiet. Biano yewo ho akwanya enti constitution ne ka mass media or see all agencies of mass media at all times, and then sometimes, at all times, be free to uphold the principles, provisions, and objectives of the Constitution. Constitution is saying, the Constitution no etre, and shall uphold the responsibility and accountability of the government to the people of Ghana. In the Article 162 Clause 5 and they say, yeah the rubber for and na TV so and na newspaper and na social media no. Constitution no mrasa e was say ye bon ho bai. Ni titru ne say e was say yan central for de biara da. Ye ma abaya oteso ehu say adwuma e was say oye no e was say oye eye me mahyede no no. Enti de biara no e was say mekasa. Enti wo be ka kire nsɛmtwerɛni a ɔkasa sɛ ɔkasa dodo a sabi na wonnim de wo ka wo be ka sɛ nsɛmtwerɛni enya bibia na ɛwɔ sɛ wo ka sabi na onte constitution no emra na ɛde ama me president ɔwɔ ne tumi parliament ɛwɔ mu tumi court wɔ mu tumi adenti ne enko ka nkyɛ president sɛ ɔyɛ bibia ɔyɛ ne dodo enti onyai Parliament na dwuma e wasa oye obi ankoka nsɛmtwerɛni ɛse obi ebie nsɛm abusa questions pɛ na nkɔfo fili sɛ nsɛmtwerɛ dwuma ne de yetimi ka ho asɛm nsɛmtwerɛni ebusa sɛ adeɛ we ya president wo ye ana minister wo ye ana DC wo ye ana obi ye a ɛyɛ yɛn sika nsɛmtwerɛni ni busa na nipa ne sɛ nsɛmtwerɛni wo adwuma no menye na mom gyae ma nipa ne nye efiri sɛ na anu bi obi ye bi enti menka na akasa dodo mesa nkɔfo na mekasa dodo ne mabuso sɛ na nsɛmtwerɛfo yɛ tonyom nsɛmtwerɛfo yɛ tonyom me madwuma yi ɛyɛ nwomtoɔ me yɛ shatawali anasa akɔdeɛ madwuma ne yɛ kasa adwuma a ɛde mpuntuo bɛba kasa adwuma a ɛbɛma wo ɔmanfo na mutie mi no wobɛhu sɛ yɛwura John Mahama ka biribi a ɔyɛ constitution ne ma me saa tumi no ɛnyɛ me madwuma ne sɛ memmɛyɛ deɛ yɛtua ne ka adwuma madwuma ne sɛ mete sɛ watchdog te sɛ ɔkraman a ɔbɔ efie ho ban na ɔbɔ efiewura ho ban momu ni efiewura mona tumi ni kutamo and into constitution is very clear and the mashada na mede wo constitution we kakra because Ghana na yentai enya bre enkinkan enti constitution no preamble kyerɛ sɛ imfitiaseɛ no ni mfitiaseɛ kraa no asɛm no awie yɛ ni nasefo ni nyina ni mfitiaseɛ ne sɛ wankyɛ sɛ I the people or say we the people of Ghana in exercise of our natural and inalienable right to establish a framework of government which shall secure for ourselves and posterity the blessings of liberty, equality of opportunity and prosperity. Ne tofane say yen Ghana for osoro ye nyankrompon ede fahodie bia maya onipa bia ntimenje yen nyina ya ka bomu se ye beboa ni ahyehye aban a saa aban ne be den aban ne betimi aboa yen ene daache akiri ma tieo ourselves and posterity kyerɛ yen Ghana for ne ye decide say onyankopɔn fa ahodie bi ene pepepe ye bi odi amaye no ya gye atum se ebɛhyehyɛ aban a saa aban no ɛyɛ enene daache enhyira fa ahodie opportunity se obiara benya akwanya amaye nyinaa ye ho ya kasa okenkan a in the spirit of friendship and peace with all people of the world and in solemn declaration of affirmation of our commitment. One, say yen Ghana for ya jatum say there will be freedom for ahudie, justice, prepare, probity. Say ye hwehwe insemu. Che yebra John Mahama ye disika mana e wose ye nma ye ni eye fe ni ehwe de ekoso. And accountability ni say ɔman na yɛde yɛsika ama obi so ɔnhwɛ yɛ no ɛwɔ sɛ time bia no obebu ho akonta ɛma yɛn Ghana fo ne agye saa de no tumu na tie ha. The principle that all powers, not some powers, all powers of government spring from the sovereign will of the people. Ɛkyerɛ sɛ tumi bia yɛwura John Mahama ne mpanyifo ewo bia no efiri yɛn nipa ne mu yɛn a yɛto aba no ɛno nti na yɛwura Nana Akufo-Addo ɔyɛ president sese ɔnyɛ president biem die ntia efiri sɛ oni tumi biem efiri sɛ Ghana for ne ma ne tumi no ai saa na nhyehyɛ ne teɛ saa na nhyehyɛ ne teɛ yɛn yɛde tumi no ɛmaa no enti oni tumi yɛn ne ma ne tumi yɛwura John Mahama no wo position no ni tumi yɛn ne ma ne saa tumi no abusia yɛn nsɛmtwerɛfo yɛdwuma ne sɛ yɛbɛma aban bia ɔte so ɛbɛyɛ adwuma yɛdwuma no nti sɛ nsɛmtwerɛni ka biribi na wonte ase a ɛma ne nsɛe na adwuma ɛwɔ sɛ wɔyɛ ɛnde bia meka kyɛ nkɔfo ɛwɔ social media ne other people mu ne me ɛnyɛ te sɛ aban bi bɛba nti ɛwɔ sɛ mesesa nti ne matwerɛ saa question wei ɛnneɔma bi a woyɛ NDC ni bibia na wo defend no na ano no sɛn na wo sika no ɛna woyɛ NDC ni a bibia sɛ nyo wo deɛ obedi di atem e defend me busa wo sɛ na ano bi na wo opposition no. What was your position? Then na wo ka wo ho. Yesi dua enyawa ebe wo no. Ye ntwa so ye tu ase. Yewura John Mahama ye nyoma bebre a me mani gye ho. Meba so. Nanso nyoma nkitinkiti bi a enka research no ho. Research no. Sabi so obi di president atema enye criminal. Emraniek say obi di president atema it is not criminal just moral che say yendidi Penyah atem nanso so obi di Penyah atem a untimi mfa ne nkɔ court say wadi di Penyah atem if you say ti krom ha yehu ekwan a NDC fo bi edidi Nana Akufo-Addo atem didi Bawumi atem krom a ne atia wo yenyere wa ha yebetimi go back. And some NDC for carrier a fan send ho. In some be wa na nya no kre. And so ye ma kwan omukaye because ye fan say politics. NDC for to me ye yama ye gitum say ugu girl Bawumi a ye ka say the most lying president or whatever Bawumi NDC fo and etimi ye ya me hu se Bawumi wo ka se obi a wo twantru kontom papa Bawumi and NDC fo enso na enya no kre enso politics inti ye fani sa NDC fo tena se ma ye gitumu se Nana Akufo-Addo odware wo wiem na onjene Ghana fo ho NDC for emayeti krom say osori ana on high plane na odware owiem na oni se wa broni krom how yehu de course enso mu kai NDC for ewo presenters na de biomu sori ano pa okomu radio station ni TV stations omu didi atem left and right edidi obia atem edidi obia no support to MPP yehu ye and so that was democracy. Edrume bi Nana Akufo-Addo ni MPP aban omo nsɛmtwerɛfo a ne abu omo nsɛmtwerɛfo a ne intimidate omo nsɛmtwerɛfo no me ye nyina ye sɔre kasa sɛ hey gyae dia wo ye no MPP munyai saa de no ye sɔre tia ye me tie me a victim Me a victim to MP obi anim amania mi komu wa MPP abamu. But I work with principles. The fact say obi di me a enya no nkyere say ene so obi di di obi a me ama no just because the person hates me. That's not how I work within a certain principle. So mommy, that's not how I work. The fact say me MPP Emma me who am money a plot yes say me NDC Nino. I'm a man jayo, not because of say because I work with a certain principle. Principle ne say a baby or bebe biana or dear huna ebe gage say obi kanasem mo manen kanasem. Now who who military, who police, who bibia enti so obi kanasem a yemfa huna no say bisa aban no onim de ekoso. Because in the 21st century yajia tum say a democracy. Democracy ni say obia betre na adwen se nipa ne ka asem ne nkoyi a yemfa hunahuna ye de no court sabi MPP for eye nyoma etwa nkontompo ne nasefo no me no ma anko me de omu court ma asem ne da so court o eye mra se bedi 20 years kra na minim se ma asem no e court eye mra nemum the idea say obi ka asem wan kan ye na yemfa kwan paso ne de ehunahuna yemmo no because na anu bi obi ye bia eya na amanyofo mu refi se Ghana for na omuto aba maamo no eya na amanyofo mu refi o se Ghana for a omuto aba maamo no enye omu nyina na yem supporters hwe because na anu 2016 Ghana for dodo na atoma na Akufo-Addo. But 2024, Ghana for na sa tutia MPP abai. Enti emane nya utirimu de se we abai na obaso na winya more voter. Ekire se enkrofo pe wo tie. Yen time ya ye ka asem no eye mra obia pe abai na asem. Me sha se ka na Akufo-Addo asem. Na sabre no dodo na pe na Akufo-Addo asem. But it took 4 years and san enkrofo betimi mase. Yera John Mahama, President, Wadaruma, Papa me too fo, me dem yakra, but me hubi. Me who de see ye na Akufo-Addo time 2017. Sabra no na ne nkrofo e penasem pa. Enti utu na Akufo-Addo fo a MPP fo be di watem, ye be so paw, ye be yew, ye be kansem hunu, ye be cheche wase, ye be chese ye be tetew, ye be ka bibia, ye be soma nkrofo mo ba social media, de di watem, de pese ekun, de tretew, sa anyoma ni nyina, ba ni emu bi enim se anka wutie afuto na anka enuru sei. O sha se me kan na Akufo-Addo me so 110 minutes e yenhweye enioma bi kosi anuma sorry me se nioma ye koso ni nyeo na MPP for me left and right. It took 4 years and sana nkofo betimase. Yera John Mahama wo 4 years say enche na 1 year aba. Wo 4 years enche na 1 year aba. Se wan hwe ye na o supporters ne ye diodium e bedru time bi a afi Ghana for after 1 year ne bebusa say 24 hour economy na we hin afi Ghana for mumfa ho say watete dollar so ne nasifo no after 1 year about say Ghana for na omuye o John Mahama ne bebusa say adwuma ni ho ebi ba be cost strike afi oban se nkrofo na de biomu support no afi omu de abufuo ebeba so because o kan so obeye we untimi nyai emma supporters no ebi ma utrimu nya wo de se Ghana fo epe wa asem because Ghana fo ye suba ye ti se Israel fo ene ye didi wi a ye de anu betwetwe fam Ghana ni no every say eduru ba bi ni efre adoga guy do na ado show boy ewo krom ha ba ye nimdie esi ye after 4 years afina na Akufo-Addo no ye show boy no afina nkofo mpenanim eduru 2024 kra no papa ne kra ba ye mpenanim ahwe oni Ghana fo na edili ye wratu ye papa na Akufo-Addo ofo I say, Omo metwa hye nyina no, obia ni tumi kakra bi no apone amomo. Na to de bia, eya na enya president na wo, ne nkrofo atwa no ho ahia, ene mane ye nipa bonini. Ene mane ye nipa bo, omo metwa ho ahia. Say so far, they be amakasa wo nkrofo no ye very humble. Ebi eya hantan. Ebi ya hantan posture ne bi wo ho a ebi asiase ya hantan atwa ho ahia. Now let me be specific. Yera Stangdogwe, very fantastic guy. Obo adwuma no ye multimedia person. Oye nsɛmtwerɛni, ɔyɛ adwuma wo sɛ ɔyɛ adwuma. But what we know of Stangdogwe, ankrofo ka, a ye nyina ye hu bi, a certain arrogant posture of Stangdogwe. Obi antimi nkache be ka because I don't care. Because na no be a catch MP before. Yera John Mahama, Stangdogwe minim so penasem, ye nyina penasem. But that man is exhibiting that arrogance for year in 2016 Ibia. And ma drew baby now wa by no aye bibi fofro. Now issue will be antiminka. But I will say it because I don't care. Because enya NDC in Chiameka a multimedia. Stangdogwe is good. I like him. Anytime I see him from afar, the way Osishishan in Yoma organizing program, I want to learn a lot from him. But he is arrogant. Ni posture nye the way I was here share na no no se when timi antemu no wonyoma bi ho a ode nyoma bi ebema wo party na eye akono no ubon se sa suban ketenkete we na e di problem aba enna BBSC Yebra Vincent asefo MP no person oye to so kuje to ablakwa into o hye e di asem bi a yesusu se enye no kre Eba Bontin say, oh, President, wa high flight, why you say, and an MP Nisha says, oh, okay. In Chichemua Basse, the MP Nikayano, Aya Vincent as for Enya Papa. Granted, Enya Papa. First, Nanka will stand the way. Ubetimia Kadioka because we opposition. Now you are the Deputy Chief of Staff. Me yet here, you will maybe or why Bekatem say, Mammy, because me a presenter. Because I bi wo ha wo jai me amekatanga sembeba ade bi wo ho a eyame management ne betimi aka na we de men kɔ hɔ because o level no ka wo jai me a metimi ne nkrofo akɔfom ayeye me hu bi but udru baby as a deputy chief of staff e kwan afa so kasa no ntimi nkasa te sɛ de na anu bi na wo kasa when you were in opposition MP member of parliament e de bibia tudwa. So the BB to just say John Mahama for flight, no problem. Opa betimi akadi opesoka, no problem. But the deputy chief of staff are representing John Mahama no. Okasa enye te se u didi atem to yampia yesi me say okay NDC fondo me hurehura o ye hu bia ye hu sa nyoma na bia ye ne MPP for tena ya omu ba afi MPP for ye kasa se omuti ebeduru ba bi na wo NDC no hia sa Nana Jantuah beka bia ma enti wo de opa ka de obeka emfa me ho me meka de meka me sister Ndogwe. He's a very good guy but he's quite arrogant. He has to tone down because Yera John Mahama ne second coming no wachira se obunipa me obi obey me bia nim sa ade no ade a me mpani a hantan ne dwane sa anwomanyom wo yesa na ho kra ye mahi ade a me mpani se nipa ye nipa o nipa ye nipa e position keke because na no na woni unya chief of staff na unya obia nyame ya adoma mo sanya fa ho brase na John Mahama na no John Mahama ne wife ma Melodina bodyguard be no person push you because Dabi don't push them. And I'm say mommy what man ya kono. Now no sorry them Yera John Mahama. Na abayu bi ne dim share the way ya John Mahama ne yire the way mu see e kanipa ben wo mu ho. Sa nyoma no efe na Yera John Mahama ntini atoma NDC o. Enya wu ntia. Na mo de se suban ni anka nkyere mu na mo ye deodum enya he na ye stand na hwan na ahomaso na watro MP aka bibi na enya yi a o the fact na no bi okuje to ablakwa e ka say Nana Akufo-Addo na wiem no Eugene no get me Eugene ahin a o kasama Nana Akufo-Addo ene kasa ye ono ne kasama Nana Akufo-Addo wanto ayampio o the fact ene baye enti say asefo aka bibi na enkoye na eche se John Mahama president wa amfa plane wa high plane na undidi member of parliament attempt and did not attempt because sabi member of parliament no or the nipa no unipa se na adana no or the nipa no enipa na yi no enti se MP can be bia who as a chief of staff are representing John Mahama no undidi not attempt udi nyansasam and the man who say MP sabi one can ye if we say yebra John Mahama amfa say these are the facts now the facts number ni who say one man who say MP onim de worker na we de what yes simsafu soldier and now didn't crop for them and now didn't attempt and now we ni say and ye can on crop for me say supporters o me defend o na de NDC na na Akufo-Addo de na the supporters anye wo krom ha ede ne anye wo krom ha na na Akufo-Addo de na ne crop for anye wo krom ha mumushi muka say John Mahama ntina Ghana for two John Mahama obuade John Mahama onye ahantan John Mahama onye patapa yewura John Mahama obu nipa enu ntina Ghana for hwe nso unim de ncho mututi ana na Akufo-Addo na wonsi na Akufo-Addo ya ahantan Ghana for mpa de ya ahantan Standogwe you are exhibiting that same attitude what shall say yes you can bring order but you cannot stop a blogger say oye na dwuma e wo say oye say what's so jina baby e what's so ye san nyoman ketenkete say ya hwe ya it becomes a monster na baba ye bonsam akoye bayi bonsam na akoye bayi oban say o enya hwe afi ebeduru baby no na afi wote kasa na the national security for aba begina wo say hey o kan bibiti a President John Mahama enti bra why did you hwe Ghana nya obi adia wo ya kwa kasetia MPP ya ma NDC MAS ade no me I want John Mahama to succeed me jitum say John Mahama ba ye nyoma ye mame say nyo obi akra me ye ra John Mahama ba ye no enyoma ye mame at least me petrol wo fam at least building materials eco fam at least enyoma bebre wo ho a me hu say John Mahama time eso ate at least me bank for the past 3-4 months me who say dollar no enko 11 and that's that 10 point something na at least John Mahama time me who say difference wom adenti na munya nyoma papa ye betimi a project rather than nyoma nketenkete so nifa so sabi obi se makọ repu obi se me repu nipa na and then once me diaba why should I even argue with the person because the difference is that I cannot behave like that full soldier Sandogwe oh yeah, dear, I admire you. But you see, there's a perception say we are arrogant. Ghana from Humaso, 10 times. Wa kasa ye introspection of yourself. Obian kancha wa won crofo ni bi. Let me tell you, Sandogwe, wa won crofo ni bi. Ese sa hand time na we and what I said deba. Wa won NDC fo ni bi. Eche say wo de, wan hwe abegu papa nanimu ase pe. Nano waye funu akama obi ebo abaso hwe de wama wezo TV aye obi ebo abaso adentina opese wo hia ase bia nanu bi o time 2016 central for ye bibi na wakwa ko pushing central for ni bi sa bebe no wa hia ase ye ma wo kwan because unyo bia Chief of Staff Julius Debra me hu papa obre ne ho ase chen wo Chief of Staff wo main boss Chief of Staff Julius Debra Uhu papa no kra na wani age because oma hu se sebi enya te so ye panyi obia woni Julius Debra Chief of Staff ehia pe no hu se papa no buade papa no wo fom de bia me kasa nka NDC kra benya John Mahama ni ho a momfa Julius Debra because as a Julius Debra or was John Mahama suban ni bi so I like that man or you too humble and or you firm or was sikans won kire ne ho or you kwawuni or was sikans won kire ne ho na wa wo ye deputy ni na sefo no na person wo kire hwe me say NDC for de o me ye ya ade o but ye me matena krom ha ehu na Akufo-Addo suban me sia se kan say na MPP for ntiase but I'm telling you there will be a time when one kai me enso abekai masre
obeto a kire wa adwene amame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media.